There, Amanda Goad, CSM at Aspire, coming to you from Muncie, Indiana. It would have been real easy to keep scrolling, so thanks for tuning in for a quick chat on the ideal purchasing process. Over the next couple of minutes, I plan to share with you a few key points to make your purchasing process efficient and easy for everyone in your organization. The first step in the ideal purchasing process is to identify who will be in charge of the purchasing within your company and who will be creating purchase receipts. Some organizations may have one person who not only orders the material, but they also generate the PR. Other organizations may spread these duties out, giving actual purchasing power to account owners or ops managers and PR generating duties to someone who wears maybe an accounting hat. This setup varies on a company by company basis, normally depending on how many folks make up the company and availability in their workload. So we need to order some materials. What do we do next? First, a purchase receipt will need to be generated and provided to the vendor in which you will be ordering materials from. This step is extremely important, and materials should always be ordered after the PR is generated so you can provide the PR number to your vendor. Make sure that your vendor notes the PR number on their invoice so that approving the PR at a later time is easier. Now that the material has been ordered and has arrived at the shop, it's helpful to have the person who actually receives the material and sees it come off the truck also receive the material on the purchase receipt. Blindly receiving materials opens the door for costly errors, as you may or may not have actually received what was ordered. Now the material is marked as received. The purchase receipt is ready to be approved once the final invoice with noted PR number is received from your vendor. There are a few helpful tools in the system that may make this process even easier. Let's take a quick look. The use of issues can help with communicating the request for a PR number. The bonus is an issue can be created right from the opportunity screen. So if you have an ops manager who is doing the ordering and they need a purchase receipt number from accounting, they would create an issue tagging the accounting representative, specify the vendor where they will be purchasing from, and noting the quantity and type of material. Tying this request directly to the opportunity through the use of an issue allows you to easily see the activity on the opportunity, as you can see here. It also allows you to see that activity on the Gantt chart, which you can see here. And through some list building in the activity module, you are easily able to track that as well. Bonus here is whoever is tagged on the issue will receive an email, which honestly may prompt them to take action and generate that PR a little more quickly. So let's say you're the accounting representative for your company and you're generating a lot of PRs on a daily basis. How are you going to keep track of who's requesting each PR to ensure they actually receive the material? Well, I have a little tip for you too. Let's go into the purchasing module and take a look at a purchase receipt. I might suggest using initials for whoever made the request right here in the invoice number field. Knowing who to track down and hold accountable for receiving material may in fact save you a little time when it comes to closing your month or approving a purchase receipt that has not yet been received. Well, that's it for today, friends. I hope you found a few helpful tidbits in the last couple of minutes to help your company set their purchasing process. As always, be sure to reach out to your CSM for any additional help in the area. Again, I thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you all soon.